You say.
Have you ever thought of getting a UAE 5-year multiple entry tourist visa without any agent, and that too without any hassle? Have you given up your curiosity on thinking it would be too complicated, too expensive, take too much time, or just would not be of any use to you? Well, it's time to reconsider. Lest you miss out on this opportunity, because UAE has, in place, a simple and easy online self-sponsored visa processing system that can make your life easier. UAE is offering this visa to people of all countries. No application complexities, no travel history, no sponsorship, and very short processing time. You can easily apply on your own. With this visa, you can travel to UAE's any emirate as many times as you want for a period of 5 years. In this video, I am going to tell you everything about the visa, its benefits, validity, period of stay, visa fees, documents required, and step-by-step process to fill visa application form, along with my top important inputs that will help you to get this visa successfully. Let's get started and get straight to the point.
You say slow down.
In the first section, let's talk about why we should get UAE 5-year multiple entry tourist visa.
You say slow down.
This visa is beneficial for people who travel frequently, whether for business or pleasure, or who need to visit their family and friends frequently, or who want to take breaks in between their long non-stop flights. Since the UAE is a hub for many budget airlines, those who wish to use this visa can travel on cheap flights from the UAE to other parts of the world, particularly Europe and Central Asia, or vice versa. Moreover, UAE is not just a single-visit tourist destination. There are countless tourist activities and attractions, so if one wishes to enjoy it in multiple itineraries, this visa offers great travel options without any hindrances.
You say slow down.
Section 2. Here I am giving you brief information about the validity of this visa, period of stay in UAE, and visa fees. However, I will talk about these in detail later in this video. Even though this multiple entry tourist visa is valid for 5 years, the duration of stay in the UAE is only 90 days in a year, regardless of whether you stay for one time or multiple times. The total visa fee is 803 UAE dirhams, and the refundable security deposit is 3,025 dirhams. Thus, the total visa application fee comes to 3,828 dirhams.
You say slow down.
Section 3. You will learn step by step how to upload all the required documents. First of all, upload the soft copy of all the required attachments as per their official site, which you can see on the screen, on your computer or mobile in advance. Note, the accepted formats for soft copies are JPEG, JPG, PDF, and the file size of each should not exceed 2 megabytes. It is advisable not to use a mobile scanner, but get this work done from a high-quality scanner.
You say slow down.
Section 4. There are 2 main platforms for visa-related services in the UAE, GDRFA and ICP Smart Services. You can apply through either of these 2. Links to these are given in the description box. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes to fill out the visa application form. GDRFA handles visa processing cases for the Emirate of Dubai only, while ICP Smart Services handles cases for the remaining 6 Emirates: Abu Dhabi, Oman, Amal Quain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. Now, let's move on to filling out the visa application form.
You say slow down.
Section 5. I chose the Abu Dhabi Visa Processing Department of ICP Smart Services. There is no prior registration required here. Just open the site and click on the multiple entry, long-term tourism, 5 years visa for all countries. The process of filling the visa application starts right from here. There are 4 segments in the visa application. The first segment is request information. The second is attachment info. The third is review application. And the fourth is fee payment segment. The first segment is request information. Herein, you will need to fill in your personal details and upload a scanned copy of your passport and select the Emirates Visa Processing Department where you wish to apply. You can easily fill all the details asked in this segment without any problem. Yes, you may get stuck at some crucial points, so let's make those points easy as well. In the Upload Passport Copy row, you need to adjust the scanned copy of the first page of your passport in the provided space. The system will automatically fetch some details and will also upload its copy in the attachment info segment. In the Identification Information row, if you do not have a unified number, leave it blank. In the row, Address in UAE. Now this section is the most important and crucial part of the visa application form. You'll have to provide the confirmed complete address and contact details of the place or hotel you're going to stay in. It is mandatory to provide the telephone number of the place of stay or hotel and a valid mobile number. Here you cannot give fake address or wrong mobile number. The advice is to either stay with someone you know and give their complete details, or to book hotels where they share their mobile number. You will find many such hotels. The second segment is attachment info. Here, you have to upload all the necessary documents which you have already saved in your computer or mobile, like color photo, bank statement, return or onward flight ticket, medical insurance, and in additional documents, hotel booking and balance certificate in USD. Passport copy will be auto-filled. The third segment is review application. This is an important part of the visa application process. Here, you get the opportunity to review your visa application before making the visa fee payment. And make sure all the details given in the application are as per your passport and other travel documents. Otherwise, once the fee is paid, if any corrections are needed in your visa application or visa approval, it could cause a huge headache and costly deal for you. Now, its last segment is application fee. Since it is a payment portal, you can make payment through credit card or debit card. But it is important to note here that if there is a case of refund of visa fee or of security deposit, then your refund will be credited to the same account from which the payment was made. After the visa fee is paid, apart from the payment receipt, you will also receive a request reference number to track your visa application. Generally, within 2 to 5 days, you will receive an email informing you about the visa approval or correction in the visa application.
You say slow down.
Section 6. After receiving the visa approval notification, you can take a printout of the e-visa. To take a printout, you need to log into the site using the request reference number and email. Then click on the button with 3 vertical lines on the right corner and select Print Electronic Visa to download the PDF copy. After taking the printout, check every detail of the visa carefully to ensure that all the details in the e-visa printout match with your travel documents, because traveling with any discrepancy can put you in trouble.
You say slow down.
Section 7. Catch points come important inputs. Number 1. This 5-year multiple entry tourist visa is not a sticker visa, but an e-visa, a sort of permit to enter the UAE multiple times for 5 years. Its 5-year validity period does not start from the date the visa is issued, but from the day of your first trip to the UAE. Please note that to activate the validity and duration of this e-visa, you must visit the UAE at least once within 60 days from the date of visa issuance. Otherwise, this visa will be cancelled and visa fee will also be forfeited. Number 2. Once you obtain the UAE multiple entry tourist visa, you can enter from any entry port of the UAE, whether by road, port, or air. You can stay in any emirate, as this visa is valid for the entire UAE. For example, if you have chosen the Abu Dhabi visa office for processing your visa application, you can still show your return flight and hotel booking from Dubai or any other emirate in the visa application form. It is not necessary that the entry or stay must be from Abu Dhabi. Number 3. If the visa application is rejected, you will get the issuance fee and security deposit back. If the application is approved, you will not get back any fees paid. However, in case of cancellation after approval or expiry of visa period, only the refundable security deposit is refunded. Number 4. While uploading 6 months bank statement, you must ensure that the printout of the bank statement is clear and does not contain any blurred printing marks like dark dots or lines. The printout should be on one side of the page, not on both the sides, and each page of it must be duly stamped and signed. Otherwise, you may get a correction notice. Number 5. Just the bank statement of the last 6 months is not enough. You also have to attach along with it a balance certificate in US dollars. This you can get it from your bank. Without this balance certificate, it is almost certain that a correction notice will come. Number 6. With this visa, you can stay in the UAE for 90 days a year, no matter how many times you visit. And a year is calculated from the date of your first entry into the UAE, not the calendar year or the date of visa issuance. However, this period of 90 days may be extended for another 90 days with prior permission. The visa extension fee is 500 dirhams plus 170 dirhams for processing fees. However, the entire unused 90 days or any portion thereof are not carried forward under any circumstances. Information on visa issue date, expiry date, total days spent in UAE and remaining days to stay in UAE can also be accessed, the link for which is given in the description box. Number 7. It is important to note that if the required or missing information sought is not submitted within 30 days from the date of issue of correction notice or after 3 correction notices, then the visa application is automatically rejected. Number 8. While applying for a visa, book a refundable confirmed air ticket and a hotel with pay at hotel option. If for some reason your visa is not approved, you can save yourself from huge losses, and getting a health insurance of 90 days is sufficient. It should be noted that the insurance must be taken from any UAE-based insurance company. Insurance taken from the home country is not accepted in the UAE. Number 9. When choosing the visa department of any emirate, try to choose the emirate where one of your friends, relatives, or acquaintances lives. This will be very helpful if there is ever a mistake or omission in your visa and for some reason you are unable to get it resolved through their helpline or email or have no other option but to visit the emirate visa office and get it corrected. And number 10. It is important to understand that the UAE Embassy, specifically in India, neither issues nor manage this visa. This is a self-sponsored visa issued by ICP or GDRFA. Therefore, to rectify any mistakes or errors, you will need to contact either of them in the UAE. personal experience, filling the visa application for this 5-year multiple entry tourist visa and getting the visa approval is quite easy and simple. While applying, also keep in mind that you are not answering to a human being, but to a programmed machine. So in the visa application form or any error correction notice, give only the details that are asked for, no more, no less. Hopefully, the important inputs mentioned in this video could make your life much easier. Don't forget to confirm any latest updates from the official sites before applying. If you have any questions or thoughts, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video. A special thanks to all those who have subscribed to the channel and also to those who haven't yet. That's all for now.